Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech My High. So this video is very much useful to you. So don't miss this video guys. It is about a 100% scholarship test. So if you find this video useful, please do like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. So without any delay, let's start the video. We all know about Coding Ninjas. So Coding Ninjas offers courses from basic to advanced level on different programming languages like C++, Java, Python, machine learning, web and Android development and data science. Yes. So now it is back with the biggest scholarship test ever. Yes. So here the students or working professionals can get 100% scholarship on its coding courses. Apart from the scholarships on the courses, you can get an industrial training certificate and also along with that, a paperback book called Acing the Coding Interview Round, which is worth of 1500 is delivered free to your doorstep. And also you will get a chance to win exciting goodies. Firstly, you should register for the test. And while registering, don't forget to use our coupon code 50 to get 50% off on the registration fees. Yes, and this test date is on 17th and 18th April at 9 p.m. And for any reason, if you have missed to take your test on 17th April, then you can also take this test on 18th April at the same time. You might also ask me like, I don't even know the basics of the coding, so how can I crack this test and enroll for the courses? Mate, you don't need to know the basics of the coding in order to take this test, because this test is completely on the aptitude questions where you need to give answer to 30 aptitude questions, and this doesn't have a negative marking as well. So firstly, check out the description for the link where I provided the referral link. When you click on that, you will open a website like this, and here you can register with your mobile number or email. So you need to enter the OTP that you receive to your mobile or to your email ID, and that's how you will pay and you will reserve your slot on a particular date, and that's how you will take up this test. Here you can find a button called register now. Just tap on that and it will ask you to enroll with your email address. So you can enter your email address. Here you need to enter your name and also the OTP that you receive via your email address. So after you fill your registration details, here you need to book a slot and you need to proceed to pay the payment. And that's how you will register. You can ask me like, why only Coding Ninjas? I'll answer you with pinpointed questions. Because Coding Ninjas have one-on-one doubt resolution support where more than 1000 plus mentors are working daily to solve the doubts. Yes, because once you enroll to the course, definitely you will get a doubt at some point of time. And that point, you need a helping hand to go forward. And that's where Coding Ninjas comes into light. Yes. And these courses are completely prepared by engineers from Facebook, Amazon, and graduates from Stanford University like that. Yes. And the courses are very well structured for college students as well as for working professionals too. And there is a dedicated placement cell where 250 plus companies are hiring actively from Coding Ninjas placement cell. Who will miss this opportunity? Not me. So, register for this as soon as possible. Check out the description for the link, tap on the link and register yourself, and don't miss this opportunity to get 100% scholarship along with all the benefits that mentioned in the video. All the best for the test.